Hello friends, today we'll discuss action words. I am writing. I am sleeping. I am eating. I am drinking. I am reading. I am walking. I am singing. I am dancing. I am swimming. I am sliding. I am thinking. I am laughing. I am crying. I am walking. I am chopping. I am cooking. I am cleaning. I am painting. I am smelling. I am sneezing. I am listening. I am touching. I am speaking. I am throwing. I am teaching. I am shivering. I am skipping. I am playing. I am clapping.
Surprise! I'm here!
3, 2, 1!
I am squeezing. I am washing hands. I am cycling. I am driving. I am shopping. I am eating ice cream. I am exercising. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.